Hennepin County Attorney Mary Moriarty dropped the case against Ryan Lundergan just over the weekend. The state trooper shot and killed Ricky Cobb II during a traffic stop last summer. He'd been charged with murder, assault, and manslaughter in the case. So Bailey Hurley is live right now at the Hennepin County Government Center in Minneapolis. Bailey, you have these new developments for us today.
Yeah, that's right, Leah. This surprise move by Mary Moriarty's office, it comes as she says new evidence has come to light, and this new evidence, she says, would make going to trial difficult. Moriarty also says that this is one of the most difficult decisions she's ever had to make in her career, now saying that one of those new pieces of evidence is the fact that Lundergan was going to testify in court that he thought Cobb was reaching for his gun. And when reviewing video evidence, Moriarty says that it neither disproves or supports Lundergan's claim. Moriarty going on to say that the lack of training also played a role in this shakeup of the case, saying one of Lundergan's trainers recently provided a declaration claiming that he never instructed officers to not shoot into a moving vehicle during an extraction, even though they say that is best practice.
It was frustrating to learn of this new evidence so far into the case because the defense had so many opportunities to provide us with it. We even offered Trooper Lundergan immunity to come on in and tell us his story with the agreement that we would not use that statement if we decided to go ahead with trial. He refused. He refused to do that.
Now, Moriarty apologized to Ricky Cobb II's family today, saying Cobb should still be here. And in a statement yesterday, she said, quote, "Our decision to not go ahead with charges does not exonerate Trooper Lundergan." Meanwhile, since these charges were filed about 6 months ago now, Lundergan's defense, they've remained steadfast in his innocence, saying Lundergan feared for his life and the lives of those other troopers when they say Cobb tried to drive away. Now, those in the law enforcement community say this case, it has and it will continue to divide the community more than ever before.
Everyone else, including their own experts, even own attorneys, believed that there wasn't a case. This county attorney went and decided to play political theater while somebody's charged with a serious crime, while the family is grieving a loss, and it's simply unacceptable.
Now, we are expecting to hear from Lundergan's attorneys later this afternoon. And we also just received a statement a bit ago from the family of Ricky Cobb II. In part, it says that while we're disappointed, we are not surprised, adding, quote, "Apparently, all you have to do to get away with murder is bully the prosecutors enough, and the charges will just go away." Leah.
Bailey Hurley reporting for us in Minneapolis.